What is pitfall number 5 for why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and our desires without giving up. And in this video, I'll share a little bit more about why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions as a reason number 5. And this is lack of motivation. I personally love to listen videos and motivational speeches, someone who is coming on the stage or look videos and they're giving you a couple of points and you can change your life and just trying to push you to change and to go and desire something more in your life. But in the reality, there is a question we have to ask ourselves and to answer this question when we are talking about resolution and how we can really accomplish our goals and our desires. And in the previous video, I said that it's really important to be clear about what you want. Do you want to be fit? Do you want to be more well financially? Do you want to have better relationships? Different areas in our life which we want to improve. But the second question is, why do you want it? Why do you really want what do you want? If you're clear of what you want, the second question is, why do you want it? And this is the motivation. Very often we're expecting some motivations to come outside, but motivation actually is inside state that prompts us to desire and to drive us to achieve goal-oriented behavior and goals and our desires. This is what motivation is. It's inside state that drives us to achieve goal-oriented behaviors. That's it. It's something inside. Don't expect something from outside to push you to do something. So that's why it's really important when we're talking about resolutions, just to be aware, just to be clear on why do you want what you want to achieve. If you're going to the gym because your buddies are going to the gym, it's not something valuable for you. So you will not go through the whole process and you will not break through and change your life. But when we're speaking about motivation, motivation should be something personal, should be something that really is valuable to you, something which is really precious for you, has to be something deeper in you. Why do you want the things you want to do? I remember listening to a story of someone who was saying that he went to a doctor and he had some healthy issues and problems and struggles. And after checking, the doctor went to him and asked him, "Do you have children?" And he said, "Yes." And the doctor asked him, "Do you want to see your children growing? Do you want to see your daughter getting married? Do you want to see your sons just to be successful in life?" And sometimes we have to face the reality, and sometimes the reality is really harsh. But we have to know why we want this, and there should be a reason. And of course, this person changed straight away. And if you have children, you have to think about them. I'm blessed with my wife to have 3 children. And this is one of the biggest reasons for me to keep going and keep doing what I'm doing. But the reasons, our motivation behind our resolution should be something which is really personal, something which is really valuable for us, which will be the drive for us to get up early, to stay up till late, just to do what is necessary, just to accomplish this because it's valuable for us. And this is the motivation. Without having clear why and a reason why I want the things I want, I will not be able to continue my journey. I will fail, I'll just go backwards, and I will never continue. But with clear and strong why, this is my motivation, then I will continue and then I will fulfill my goals. So when we're thinking and talking about goals and motivation, think about what is really important for me, what is vital for me, what is really precious for me personally, not for my neighbor, not for someone else, for me. What is important for me, why I want the things I want. And that's why these 2 questions are really important. what I want, to be clear of what you really want. And the second question is, why do you want it? Because without clear and strong why, I will not be able to have the breakthrough in my life, in my health, in my finances, in my relationships, in each area of my life. But when I have my strong why, this is my motivation, this is my drive. So think about it, meditate, and ask yourself today, what is my why? Why do you want the things I want? Why do you want to achieve the things I want to achieve? Why do I want these goals to be in my life? Where I'm going, and why do you want them? Once you find your why, your reasons, your personal deep inside reasons for why you want to change, why you want to have these goals, and why do you want to change your life, then you will be unstoppable. You will be like a hero, smashing everything on your way until you achieve your goals and heart desires. So think about today. And in the next video, I'll share what is the reason number 6 why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.